2002 Dodge Ram 4.7 V8, code P0305, misfire, cylinder 5. So I opened it, I checked. This one's good. What's it called? Ah, I forgot. And then I took out the spark plug, and this is what I saw. The gap is too big, like it should be. So any problems, P0305 spark plug could be the problem, or the coil. But in my situation, it was the spark plug, so I'm just changing the spark plug. I'm gonna change all of them, might as well. Y ahí quedó. Ponlo para atrás. Don't panic, don't drive it too much. It could be an easy fix. Spark plug gap is just too big. Until next time.